Hello friends, welcome to Crazy Crochet World. Let's see some beautiful crochet pillow cover designs model. A crochet pillow cover design is a decorative removable fabric cover made using crochet techniques, hook and yarn that fits over a pillow. It adds texture, warmth and handmade charm to home decor, especially popular in country, cottage, vintage and farmhouse style interiors. We see often explore what makes crochet pillow cover special. For handcrafted beauty, each stitch shows artisanal skill. For soft texture, cozy and inviting for sofas, beds, or chairs. Customizable colors, patterns, and size can be easily changed. Timeless appeal blends traditional craftsmanship with modern homes. Common crochet pillow cover styles: granny square design, classic, colorful, and nostalgic. Textured stitches, bubbles, shells, cables, popcorn stitches, floral and lace patterns, fringes, tassels, earthy tones. Minimal modern crochet, simple stitches in neutral shades. Four crochet pillow covers are used: living room sofas, couches or farmhouse bedrooms, used reading corners, windows and smart sitting areas. Why people love crochet pillow covers: adds warmth and personality to plain furniture. Perfect for DIY and handmade decor lovers. Can be seasonal, light colors for summer, rich tone for winter. Complements vintage cottage and country style decor, which fits your design interest beautifully. Here are some tips for creating crochet pillow cover. First, design and pattern tips. Mix solid stitches with lace panels to create visual balance. Use raised stitches like bubble, puff, popcorn for cozy texture. Try panel style designs, different patterns on front and back. Combine granny skirts with plain borders for a defined look. Add crochet motifs like flowers, leaves, hearts for cottage charm. Color and mood tips. Use soft pastels like cream, shades, dusty rose. For a vintage cottage feel, use warm neutrals like beige, oatmeal, and taupe for a farmhouse calmness. Earthy shades like terracotta, mustard, and olive for rustic warmth. Use two-tone or ombre yarn for gentle visual depth. Keep contrast low for elegance, high contrast for bold statement pillows. Yarn and texture choices. Choose cotton yarn for summer and airy rooms. Use chalky yarn for winter coziness and statement pillows. Blended yarns give durability without losing softness. Slightly textured yarn enhances this definition beautifully. Finishing and construction tips. Add button closures with wooden or vintage style buttons. Use envelope style bags for easy removal and washing. Crochet the frame border to prevent curling. Lock your cover after finishing for a polished look. Line the inside with soft fabrics for durability. Styling tips. Layer crochet pillows with linen or floral cushions. Place them on wooden furniture for a warm handmade contrast. Use different size but keep a consistent color story. Pair with rose, rugs, or curtains in similar tones. Seasonal ideas. Spring, use floral motifs and pastel colors. For summer, lightweight cotton and open stitches. For autumn, rich earthy shades and textured stitches. For winter, chunky yarns, cable or waffle stitches. Artistic and creative design tips tell a story through stitches. Use floral motifs for spring, wheat patterns for farmhouse warmth. Combine open lace sections with dense stitches for rhythm and depth. Use asymmetry for a relaxed, lived-in cottage feel. Frame the center design with a decorative crochet border, crochet raised outlines, and on motifs for a handcrafted look. Color layering and harmony. Work in soft layers of similar shades instead of sharp contrast. Add on aged or muted accent colors to enhance winter's character. Tea-dyed or off-white yarns create an heirloom effect. Keep on pillow neutral and another detailed for visual balance. Use natural fiber tones to evoke warmth and charm. Is this mastery tips? Alternate tight and loose tension sections for subtle texture play. Try open crochet stitches for farmhouse structure. Use post stitches to create soft cable effect. Combine flat stitches with traced clusters for dimension. Practice invisible joints for a seamless look. Construction and longevity tips. Reinforce stress points like corner closures with tighter stitches. Use double-strand yarn for frame, double pillow covers. Use hidden zipper panels lined with fabric for a neat finish. Steam block gently to set stitches without fluttering texture. Always test wash a yarn sample before completing the cover. Emotional and sensory touches. Choose yarns that feel pleasant to touch, not just look beautiful. Design covers that invite rest and comfort, not stiffness. Soft imperfections enhance handmade charm, don't over perfect. Think of pillow as comfort objects, not just decor. Styling like a designer. Mix crochet pillows with embroidered ticking stripe or floral cushions. Place textured pillows near oud, wicker, or iron furniture. Use odd numbers 3 or 5 pillows for natural balance. Keep color palettes clumped to let texture shine. Rotate covers seasonally to refresh the space without redecorating. Design tip and visual interest. Design pillows in sets. Same patterns, different textures. Use a statement center motifs with clumps surrounding stitches. Print large surfaces with subtle stitch changes, very few rows. Try two-tone crochet for elegant, timeless appeal. Let negative space, often stitches, act as part of the design. Yarn behavior and technique tips. Slightly tighter stitches equal better pillow shape retention. Change hook size only for borders to prevent curling. Rotate work directions to keep texture balanced. Always count stitches at corners for clean edged. Practice a swatch with the pillow inside to test stress. Professional finishing touches. Add picot or scalloped edge for delicate elegance. Use slip stitch seams for a flat, invisible join. Crochet a double-layer back panel for durability. Secure yarn tails by weaving in multiple directions. Lightly steam only the back to protect surface texture. Cottage-style charm details. Add small crocheted flowers, bows, or leaves. Include vintage-inspired elements like lace edging. Pair crochet with linen or muslin backing. Slight irregularities enhance the handmade feel. Use soft, sun-faded color plates for authenticity. Seasonal rotation strategy. Keep 2 or 3 covers per pillow insert for easy updates. Light textures in summer, chunky pieces in winter. Use floral motifs in spring, rain or leaf motifs in autumn. Neutral design act as year-round anchors. Store unused covers wrapped in cotton, not plastic. Heirloom and storytelling tips. Design pillows as if they will be passed down. Choose timeless patterns. Let the pillow reflect solo living and handmade tradition. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe our channel. Happy crocheting!